Hi everybody, I'm Michael Larson and I am a invited speaker this year. Thank you PNSQC for doing so. I greatly appreciate it. I am talking about future-proofing your software. And I need to make an emphasis that the future-proofing has less to do with the software and more to do with how we as individuals interact with it. Because if we're lucky...
I wasn't quite sure from your title.
Yeah, if we're lucky, we're going to grow older at some point. And that is actually one of the key points that there's a closing slide. I'll leave that out for the time being, but the point is that as we get older and as more of us get older, a lot of us who are already digitally literate are going to struggle because things that we take for granted now, we're going to have a hard time doing just visually, physically, and that interaction is going to be a greater challenge as we get older unless we take some steps.
So what's a good example of what you're talking about?
One of the best examples that I can think of is make it possible so that an application can change the size of text easily. It's a little toolbar, like you can just go, hey, I want to boom, boom, just adjust the size of text. That little bit alone can make a huge difference in the way that somebody interacts with it.
So you could do the same with audio then?
Yeah, absolutely.
Great.
So you want to be able to make it so that, for example, if you are listening to a podcast, you could be able to load it up so that it will automatically close caption on the fly. That's still sort of in its infancy, but there are tools and applications that are already doing that, and it's really exciting.
Wow, so it's really an accessibility issue.
It's an accessibility issue, it's a design issue, it's a user issue. It's really being able to understand your customers and how your customers can grow with the product over time and how the product can anticipate what's going to happen to them, plain and simple.
Wow, I like it. Okay, well, you won't want to miss that one, folks.